So yeah, I'm staying at a castle tonight. So I'm just on it, get knocked down by someone here. Welcome to Doe Castle, Donegal. Lessons required. Fishing, that's fine. There we go. Don't know if you can read all that. Yeah, you are here. I am here. We are here. Let's be here together. Are you an angler?
No, it's a driving license.
Yeah, but only if you're an angler. Only if you're an angler, a fisher.
No, I can become one. I have the license.
Well, if it helps you, yeah.
Well,
Yeah. These medieval castles never built them for umbrellas, did they?
no.
Yeah.
Well, maybe there's an umbrella entrance.
Maybe, yeah. Don't want to get the old rain in, the castle. And then I have to do it again. Okay. So that was pointless of me. Whew. And there's stairs. That was awkward. There must have been something new there or something.
I don't think I wanted to down that door.
No, it's not. Like, it's only a foot, like a few feet. But like, look how awkward that is. Like, you're coming in and you're,
Health and safety, man.
yeah. Not coming back from the tavern all sober on that one now. Thank you, Win, for lifting my umbrella. Whoa. There we go, we are shielded. Not much of a view, but well, it's wheelchair accessible. Hey, umbrella fits. Hey, umbrella does not fit. Yeah, that's cool there. Fireplace there, that's it. Ooh. Oh, that's savage. Love that old style door. Let's make sure you're doing alright there. I think there's a drop of rain on you. I think that's that drop. That little kind of smudgy area is when I drop the ends, well, the camera. I'm trying to find another one, but like I'm away travelling for a while as well, so even if I could order one. Anyway, look at the castle. Lovely castle. You can see it all the way up there as well. Nice little castle there. Uh, yeah. Oh, I never knew they had red brick back in the day. Yeah. Yeah, that must have been the toilet, the sewerage.
This must have been outdoor, so there's a little roof here somewhere.
Yeah.
And that was the outdoor.
The foyer. Yeah.
Probably a door.
Two windows and a door, yeah.
Because the steps go from there, so.
Yeah.
All the wood as well, I've seen.
Yeah, that's why it's gone. Should have built everything. Oh. Raindrops keep falling on my head. Get in there. Well, oh, you can't get in there because there's an idiot in there. Yeah. Oh, look, they had lights back in the day and handrails. That's fantastic. This is kind of getting tired of having to do this. I said, this is getting tiring having to do this because I'm getting wet that way.
Put
Like,
on your fucking jacket, will you? The rain jacket.
it's in the thingamajiggy.
3 floors in there, is it?
Ah, yeah. Remember, like they were like a lot, you know, taller than us back in them days.
Are they?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I think we've grown since then.
Well, with names like Little John and
Little John was 5'8".
yeah,
The Bowling was 5'8".
he's just a touch taller than me. Bet you could take him though, you know.
Oh, yeah.
That's gonna have to be cut out for my one French whatever. Raindrops keep falling on everybody else's head, but I'm wearing an umbrella. So I'm shortening my umbrella to just cover me. Yeah, that's it. Don't hit an electrical, don't hit an electrical.
These are little view holes off the telescope.
Well, they were enough to just get a bow and arrow out, you know.
I like the thing for a wheelchair ramp at the back, but one invaders will be coming with a wheelchair.
I know, yeah. Very nice of them. Very considerate. This kind of got that feeling that be in for the night, like the rain. That feeling that I'd be in for the night, you know.
The mountain over there is gone. So.
No, it's still there. You just can't see it.
Wasn't me, I didn't touch it.
Would you not learn your lesson, like?
See, they put a bolt on the door knocker.
Yeah.
I couldn't use it. It's kind of silly that they have all this big fortification and then you've got a gate just there.
Yeah.
I was going looking at that going, why? Like, why would you do that?
Well, that's for the drama, the romance story of the princess getting out and
Well, like obviously the gate wasn't there back in medieval times. It was literally just an opening.
Yeah.
Like you've got this big fort and then you've got this opening.
Yeah, you filter them in. Like if you have 1,000 people coming through, you kill 3 of them and they're jamming the thing, and then it's easy targets for the rest of them. Like
You could probably put like a couple of against as well. Anyway.
Yeah. There's a bit of an abbey back there as well.
Yeah.
No idea where I got it from. I think I got it from a model, like she left it in the car and yeah. Get this.